Welcome back, students of class 5. This is your e-learning class. Students, as we are revising the chapters, so today we will revise the poem My Shadow. So open page number 42. My Shadow. This poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. My Shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Here you can see the picture of a little boy and also a little girl. Here the little boy or the little girl, he or she is saying that he has a little shadow that goes in and out with him or her, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see, and he cannot understand what is the use of his shadow. He is very like me from the heels up to the head, and he is describing his shadow, that his shadow looks almost like him from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed, and each time whenever he jumps, and each time he finds that his shadow jumps before him whenever he jumps into his bed. That means each time his shadow becomes the first and he becomes the second. So he cannot understand what it is actually. Okay, here the poet describes the joy, the excitement of the child who likes his own shadow, who loves his own shadow. He is curious, and he actually does not know, why his shadow exists, why it is like him, and each time he finds that his shadow jumps first into the bed before him. Okay, next, page number 43. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, and the most funniest thing is that the shadow, how the shadow grows. That means sometimes he finds that his shadow is almost looks like him, almost the same height of him, but sometimes he finds that his shadow is taller than him or sometimes shorter than him, and he finds it the funniest thing. That means he likes his shadow, he loves his shadow, and he finds joy whenever he watches that his shadow is taller or sometimes shorter or sometimes at the same height. He finds it very funny. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. Usually, human beings, the children, grow slowly. Okay, but the shadow grows very fast, and not only grows, sometimes it becomes shorter. So it is quite amazing. Next, for he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. That means like a rubber ball, sometimes it gets taller and taller. Okay, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all, and sometimes he watches that the shadow becomes so little, sometimes that none of him at all. That means sometimes he could not find his shadow. So these things are very much, and these things make him curious. Okay, he is excited, he is full of joy to see whenever he finds his shadow becomes so little that sometimes he could not see it, but sometimes it is so taller. But the growth of the shadow is not like a proper children, like the normal human being, because normally human baby or children grow slowly, but the shadow grows very fast. So this is the funniest thing for him. Okay, students, we will complete the poem in the next class. Okay, so thank you very much.